So welcome to Off Grid with Dave and Kelly. As you can see, I tried to grade out my trail back to the bush, but it's still pretty wet back there. Just about got stuck, so I figured, well, it's time to quit that. I'm hoping this section of the garden's completely done now, so I'm gonna try and get this tilled up, and then next year we're planning on putting garden over here. I know I had originally put this into pasture, but we need more garden space, so I'm gonna try and work all this grass in. And I know it's not gonna be the greatest for doing we'll have grass coming up probably in between, but we'll work it in, and it'll mulch in. So I'm not sure how much of this we'll put in garden yet, but we want to have a fair sized garden, and we'll be a little bit before we're ready for pasture anyways. So unfortunately we didn't think of it beforehand, but that's the way it is. So we'll work it up, and hopefully it's not too wet, and put it into garden. So let's get at it. So I got it all tilled up. Still pretty wet yet. I'll wait a couple of days. We're supposed to have 2 or 3 nice days now, and I'll let it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to run some ditches in here to help for drainage. It is on a bit of a hill here, so it'll drain pretty good to begin with. But that's the one nice thing here is everything is usually on a hillside, so it works really good for drainage and that. So I know we get a lot of rain here, and it helps if you can get good drainage. But we'll have to mix lime in there, and after we mix the lime in, we'll rototill it in again. And we've got this all tilled up here, so that's good. We still have carrots here yet, but we'll wait for them to we'll wait a little bit for them. They're we haven't really had a frost yet, so that's a good thing. We'll leave them in. Even a frost, light frost, isn't going to hurt them anyways, because it's just the tops up above. But anyhow, once we get the carrots out, then we'll rototill this garden up, because it's pretty well done. And we'll see if it warms up and stays dry. I'll probably spread manure on all of these gardens and work it in. this fall yet, but that'll depend on the weather. But anyhow, that's it for now. Stay warm, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.